Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement about my products on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. So we'll talk about that in a moment. And then we have some bonuses for you. So if you want to know what these bonuses are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Obviously, when you go and buy the copy from my link below, you will get these bonuses. But what are they exactly and how to get them, you will find the information in the end. And we'll also discuss the way to make money for long term using my method. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And coming back to the video now, so below there it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. I want you to click there, and then you will see some launches I have done. So these three are software, one is PLR, but these three are very cool software which will help you if you're a marketeer or individual or whosoever you are. This will definitely help you because the first one is very cool. It generates helps you generates images. So let me show you Drishyam AI. Okay, so if you click here, right click and then click on open link, that's the page. Okay, so it says create stunning AI visuals in seconds, and then you can go and watch this demo video, and then there are sample images which I can show you. So you can generate graphics like these using this Drishyam AI. So go and check out this. This will surely help you if you want to generate some cool thumbnails or some ebook covers or whatever. Okay, so go and check out this in your free time. Go and watch the demo. Drishyam AI is a very fantastic software for generating images you will never see anywhere else. Okay, go and check that how that works. Then we have Launch to Profit AI. Right click here and then click on open in new link, and then you have to go and watch this demo video again. This helps you to create all the campaigns. Okay, all affiliate campaigns you can think of, email copy, review articles, scripts, this and that. It's totally going to generate unlimited content for you all in a one-time thing. So go and check out this Launch to Profit AI, and if you want to generate some images, visuals, check out Drishyam AI. Similarly, check out this Review to Profit AI. So go and check out these things in your free time and watch the video till the end. Let's start the review now. Alright guys, let's do this Cabooodle review. So let's get to the sales page. And how do you come to the sales page? For that, you have to go below my YouTube video and find a link which might be saying grab a Cabooodle copy here. Click on that link and you will come to the sales page. And right now my links are pending, so you may or may not find the link below my YouTube video, but we'll see. So on the sales page, it says that doesn't have to require tech experience, cost, or a certain persona. So technically, he had been working as a construction worker in his career, in his life, and in last few years, maybe in last 10-15 years, he has turned into a digital marketeer. Okay. So he's going to teach you how to make money using Instagram in the front end. So it's all about, you can see here, it's all about getting views, traffic, followers. You can see Reels tab. So this is Instagram. Okay, so you are going to learn how to get some traffic from Instagram and make money, monetize Instagram traffic, sell them whatever you like. Okay, so you are going to learn everything step by step in this course if you go and grab this. So the front end will cost you $17, and let's talk about the cost. I told you $17 already, and when you make money, I make money too. Okay, so you don't need to overthink, blah blah blah. Are we done? We have some questions. Do I need any experience to use Cabooodle? No, you don't need any experience. Do I need to be good with tech? No. Do I need to be on camera or talk in videos? No. The traffic method is based on very short B-roll style videos. That means no talking, no presenting, no being on camera if you don't want to. How much time does this take? You can do this 3 to 5 times per week. So it's like uploading small short reels on Instagram. What exactly am I doing to make money? You create short caption videos to get attention. Instagram sends promotes your videos. I told you already. Do I need to spend money on ads? No. How quickly will I see results? That depends how fast you take action. Is this one of those push button? No. What if I get stuck? Everything inside Cabooodle is laid out step by step. What happens after I join? You get instant access and you go and follow the training. Okay, so go and grab this if you want. That will cost you $17. You can watch this video in which he's talking and explaining everything. And let's talk about the OTUs right here. So in front end, you will get all of this. And then we have OTO number 1, I guess, in which you have multiple channels like TikTok as well, YouTube as well, and maybe content remix, whatever this is, okay? So in the front end, they only teach you about Instagram, but if you upgrade to OTO 1, they teach you about TikTok as well, YouTube as well, trending audio, YouTube audio, all of that. I mean, if you want a course on YouTube, I have a full blown course on YouTube below my video. You can see it says make money on YouTube. That's a full blown YouTube course. If you don't know how to start on YouTube, go and get that course, Traffic Jarvis, okay, and get your channel monetized. Anyways, so we have Cabooodl Elite, which is for 497. I think it's maybe they will coach you or something like that. They will give you coaching, I guess. So we have only three OTOs. OTO 1, I mean, only three pricing. Front end is 17, then OTO 1 is 127. Then we have some coaching, I guess, in 497. That's it. So if you want to go and learn from this guy about making money online or getting traffic and selling something in affiliate marketing using Instagram, if you think you can make it on Instagram and you want to learn, then go and get this program. You may or may not find the link below, depending if they're approved or not. But I'll also make sure you go and get this Trustim AI, because this is my own software. We discussed this in the beginning, okay? So if you want to create this awesome visuals, okay, awesome visuals like these, or you can also get this launch to profit AI. So if you click this link which says check out all my Warrior Plus products, you will find everything there. You will find Trustim AI, launch to profit AI to create affiliate campaigns. Go and check that out. And now I'll talk about how do I make money for in real methods using these methods which you see below. So watch the video till the end so that you can also know about the bonuses. Alright guys, now we are done with the review and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered Forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link and then you enter your name and email and then you will come to this page. This is Forex trading, okay? So when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video, okay? You can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge and should you go and join this program or not, okay? This is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money, okay? It's an investment thing. Forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment. Okay, you have to have the money, okay? So right from the beginning, this option trading, Forex trading is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay. It's not for you. No headaches, right? It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link, right? Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial, okay? The testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. If your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but it something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money, okay? And then obviously you can watch more testimonials and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video, you can sell your services, whatever, okay? So this is it. And this screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment, okay? So go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually, okay? I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything, okay? But you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because it depends what your expertise is, okay? If you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my Forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis, get the knowledge first, okay? and get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also you also get the software, the system inbuilt, from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay, so I have attached the screenshot here, so you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot. Okay, but you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions. Okay, so anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one to one, you're not sure what is suitable for you, you should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one to one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing. Okay, so you can drop me an email after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder so that you can do it for free. Okay, and Kishacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I am giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions. Okay, and last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners. Okay, so you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses, and if you have any questions, you can always email this to me. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading, or go and get Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me, and you can get Kishacking if you want to, or just do whatever you like. Okay, so subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.